Hello. Today's lesson is about the past tense of the verb be. I was on vacation last week. The weather was nice and my hotel was comfortable. There wasn't a swimming pool, but there was a beautiful beach. There were 2 restaurants in the hotel. They were good and they weren't expensive. Look at the verbs. I was on vacation last week. The weather was nice and my hotel was comfortable. There wasn't a swimming pool, but there was a beautiful beach. There were 2 restaurants in the hotel. They were good and they weren't expensive. I'm talking about the past. We make the past tense of be with was and were. There are no short forms or contractions in affirmative sentences. The negative forms are was not and were not. It was not expensive. They were not expensive. They have short forms or contractions, wasn't and weren't. It wasn't expensive. They weren't expensive. We use the short forms when we speak and in informal writing. We ask and answer yes/no questions like this. Was the hotel good? Yes, it was. Were the restaurants good? Yes, they were. Was there a pool? No, there wasn't. Were the restaurants expensive? No, they weren't. To make information questions, add a WH word or how before was or were. For example, when was your flight? At 11 p.m. How were the restaurants? They were good. We make questions with who like this. Who is at the party? Who is the subject in this question? We always use was in the question. We often use time words and phrases with was and were. For example, yesterday, last night, last week, in the 1990s. We were home last night. I was there yesterday. They weren't in Ecuador in the 1990s. So, where was your last vacation? Were you at the beach?